much, Rita, for that heartful rendition of Paglisan. Siyempre, bago natin pakinggan ang iyong coach, Coach Lea muna pakinggan natin.
Can I just say that, and it's not disrespect to the other artists of the team, this is my favorite performance from this team.
Thank you, Coach.
And this is the reason why. I mean, you don't have the biggest vocals. I mean, that's just not you. Pero yung puso mo napakalaki at inihahandog mo lang siya talaga sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa'yo at talagang umaabot to the people watching on TV and especially to the people here in the theater. So I'm hoping that your heart will be enough to keep you here. So it's up to your coach na.
Thank you, Coach Lea.
Thank you very much, Coach Lea. Coach Bamboo.
Once again, Rita, you delivered. I mean, hypnotic, mesmerizing yung umpisa nun. That was just beautiful. Yung sabi natin, papahirapan kita, vocally, we did that tonight. I am so dead tonight kasi kayong tatlo, you gave winning performances that deserve to move forward. I'm so proud of you guys. Camp Quine is strong. Maraming salamat sa inyong tatlo and for that performance. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you very much, Coach Bamboo. Sabi nga ni Coach Bamboo, mahirapan daw siya ngayong gabi.